In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a version in Jira using the releases feature. We'll go step by step, starting from checking that the right feature is turned on, all the way to creating a new release. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what each field means, so you can confidently set up versions for your own projects. First, open your browser and go to Atlassian.com. If you don't already have an account, click the sign up button and follow the prompts to create one. If you're already signed in, you can simply navigate to your Jira workspace from there. The exact layout might vary slightly depending on your plan and updates from Atlassian, but the overall process remains the same. Before you create a version, you need to make sure the releases feature is enabled for your project or space. This is important because if it's turned off, you won't see the releases option later on and it can be confusing. On the left side of your Jira screen, look for the navigation menu and click on Spaces. This is where your different projects or workspaces are listed. Find the project or space where you want to add a version. Hover your mouse over that project's name and you'll see a three-dot icon usually appearing to the right. Click on this three-dot icon to open a drop-down menu. From that menu, click on Space Settings. This will open a new tab or page with all the configuration options for that specific space. On the Space Settings page, look at the left-hand panel again and click on Features. This section controls which features are available in your space. Scroll down the list until you reach the Development section. Under this section, you should see an item called Releases. Check the toggle next to Releases. If it's disabled, switch it on. This enables the Releases feature for your space, allowing you to manage versions. Once that's done, you're ready to actually create a release. Now, go back to your project or space. At the top of the screen, you'll see the main navigation menu. Look toward the end of this menu and click on More. In this expanded list, you should now see an option called Releases. If you see it, go ahead and click it. If you still don't see Releases under More, look for a small plus icon near the navigation area. Click that plus icon to view additional options. Sometimes Jira nests certain features there depending on how your workspace is configured. In that expanded list, find and click on Releases. Once you're in the Releases section, you'll see an option to create a new release. Click on Create Release. This will open a pop-up window where you can enter the details for your new version. In this pop-up, start by adding a clear release name. This could be something like a version number or a descriptive label that helps your team understand what this release is about. Next, set your start date to indicate when work on this release begins and your release date to show when you plan to deliver it. You can also specify the driver of this release, which is typically the person responsible for overseeing it. This helps your team know who the main point of contact is. If you like, add a brief description. This is a good place to outline the purpose of the release, key features, or any important notes. When you're happy with all the details, click Save. Your new release or version is now created and ready to use in Jira. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.